welcome back to my channel, or I should say aloha from Hawaii. So I'm here right now with the family in Honolulu, Hawaii, celebrating my birthday and my brother's birthday. And I figured I'd show you guys what I pack when I am on an island vacation. I've been to quite a few different islands in the past, so I kind of have a feel already of what kind of outfits are appropriate when you're on an island trip, what kind of makeup works best, what kind of skincare to get, what other necessities is appropriate. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of everything of how I organize things, what outfits I brought with me, what kind of makeup goodies I got, all that kind of good stuff. So if you guys want to go ahead and see everything I packed on this island vacation, then please keep watching. Okay, so I figured it'd be helpful if I actually showed you guys how I organize everything in the luggage. So let's open this up. All right, so here is everything. I'm not gonna go too in depth of how I organize things, because if you guys have watched my first ever YouTube video that I've ever done on my channel, it's kind of talking about all of this, of how I organize everything when I travel. But I just wanted to give you guys like a quick overview. So you guys already know that I love packing cubes, so you won't ever see anything just like laid here without actually packed in some sort of compartment. Over here we have all of my clothes in this big packing cube. Over here we have all of my swimsuits, cover-ups, that kind of stuff. We have all of my shoes here in each packing cube as well. Disclaimer, before we go any further, I know some of you guys were giving me crap about having so much stuff when I packed for my first video that I did. I have many things. This might not be for the average person to get all of these items, so just take what you like. So over here is my clothes, PJs, swimsuits, shoes. Over here I have, this is this is like a TSA, what to do to how to lock your TSA lock. So I always keep it here just in case I ever need to set it up on this luggage and I forget. This is so important if you ever are going on vacation and you feel like you're gonna be doing a lot of water activities, just to store your phone there, and that way, you know, your phone is not getting damaged and you can take it with you in the beach, the pool, wherever it is, and your phone would be secured. So I definitely recommend this if you guys are going to like any beach vacation, island vacation, you're doing any water parks, water activities, this comes in handy. And then on this side is where I have all of my other things that I need. This is my makeup case, and we'll go into a look into that in a second. Some more makeup stuff. Here I have all my skincare, hair items, toothbrush, all that kind of stuff. Here I have hair items. This is another packing cube. This is a smaller cube. Here I have some bags. Handbags, and then I have some styling tools. I also did get a carry-on bag, which I had some more handbag, camera, accessories, things like that. So I'll show you guys in detail of what's all in here right now. All right guys, so first things first, let's start with the makeup that I got with me on this island trip. So I'm not gonna go into each one of them because they are pretty much like the same thing. There's just some products I wanna go over that would be really nice when you're on an island trip, so we'll do that. By the way, this is the same kind of compartment that I used if you guys have watched my first video that I did on what I pack or how I organize things for vacation. This is Mary Kay, and it kind of just rolls up like this. Let me show you guys. So it rolls up like so, and then whenever you get to your room, it comes down like this, and then you can hang it wherever. And these detach. I've been using it for like a couple years now. It's struggling up here, but for the most part, it's doing good. And I think I just got this off of eBay, you guys, or Amazon. You can find it up there. So let's just run through what we have here very quickly. So over here, I leave all of my brushes, brow wiz, lash curler, all that kind of stuff. This sponge, you guys, I don't even have a beauty blender here, as you guys see, because this sponge is just so fast and easy to work with. This basically has replaced my beauty blender. Second compartment is where I have all my lip liners, lipsticks. I have some glitter in here just because it's my birthday and I might be playing with glitter on my birthday, so I have some glitter shadows here, but for the most part this is all my lip products. And as you guys see, I have like bright colors. This is a beautiful like fuchsia liquid lip from Beauty Bakery. I have a bright red lipstick from Anastasia. I always like keeping the eyes simple when I'm on like an island, and then just having like a bright lip product. All right, third compartment, I have some lashes and liners. Let me tell you guys, you don't want thick lashes when you are on an island trip, at least for me. I I love getting like these individual lashes. That way sometimes I just put my individual lashes on top of my natural lashes and that's it. They're super comfortable. I don't have to worry about them. And they hold up pretty well. I don't see these coming off even if you go like on the pool and stuff. And then on this last compartment is where I have my foundations, my powder, my blushes, all that kind of stuff. One product I do want to talk about is this Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face. You guys, this is bomb if you are trying to have like glass skin face with no makeup on. Just apply a little bit of this and it gives you like a beautiful glow. I usually get travel size Laura Mercier translucent powder just because this is huge, but I did run out of the travel size, so I just got the big one because I can't live without this. This is like the best. And then I have this Sorme contour kit. It's much smaller than the other contour kits that I have. It like fits at the palm of my hand. And I have everything that I need to contour, bronze, if I want to apply anything underneath my eye, brighten it up with the banana shade, or add a subtle highlight. I have everything that I need in this small compact palette right here. Of course, what would a vacation be without a bomb highlighter? This is the only highlighter I brought with me. This is a beautiful gold highlighter from Laura Mercier in the shade Addiction. Oh my God, this is so bomb, you guys. And just one last thing I want to talk about is foundation. When you're on island, like for me, I probably won't wear foundation as much, to be honest, because I'll be doing activities, that kind of stuff. So maybe just color correct with concealer, put the illuminator on, and I'm good to go. But if I do want to wear foundation, you guys see me talk about this all the time. This is what I've been wearing for months now. It's the Wet n Wild Foundation Photo Focus. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I just love this stuff. So this is all I have as far as makeup for the most part. We just have a couple more things related to makeup, and that's of course my makeup wipes. I have one more contour brush from PUR in here. It's brand new, so I just have it in here with its packet. And I have two eyeshadow palettes that I brought with me. These are the only eyeshadows that I brought. You definitely don't need two. One is more than enough, but again, you guys know me. I've been playing around with these two palettes from Alter Ego. They're just so freaking beautiful, so I couldn't figure out which one I want to get, so I ended up getting both. So this is more like your bronzy, neutral, golden moment, and over here is the mauvey, rose goldy moment. So I've been really loving these palettes, you guys, so I decided to bring them with me on this trip for some color on my eyes when I am having like a night out or something like that. For the most part, I'm not, because I am on an island to like relax and whatnot, but just in case. So moving on to skincare. So I have all of my skincare in this compartment right here. There's some cushion. Again, this is the same one that I've used before, if you guys have watched that video. I keep the things here that are gonna break or need some extra support in this because it has some cushion. So obviously here is just the necessities. One will start with this Neutrogena body mist. I have never tried this personally. I've heard a lot of good stuff about it. Obviously we're gonna be by the beach the whole time when you're on an island, so if I'm getting too tanned or sunburned, I'll put this on, and it just gives you a very beautiful, nice glow. Next thing I want to talk about is this stuff. This is so amazing. This is leg makeup from the drugstore. I put this on my legs, and your legs look like they have, like, they're super smooth. Now it does transfer, so that's the only one thing that I don't really like about it. So I did pick this up. This is kind of like the same idea, but it comes in like a spray form. So I'm gonna be trying this out to see if this works better. It does say waterproof somewhere here. Yeah, water resistant. So we'll see how this plays. I hope it gives me the same result as this, but it's not as messy as this. So we're gonna be testing this out as I am on this trip. Now, if I am gonna be applying this on, I usually do it on my hands, but it does get very messy, and you wanna make sure that you're washing your hands, you're washing in between your nails, because if you're applying it with your hands, it can get like in there on your nails, and it's just not a cute look. So I got this PUR brush, and this is a perfecting body brush. I figured this would be bomb for applying things like that. If you want to apply like a glow all over your chest, all over your legs, on your shoulders, that way you're not having to use your hands, this would be perfect for that. Obviously I have another form of sunscreen. This I would apply on my face with SPF. You guys have to make sure that you're applying it every few hours. Even though I'm kind of terrible at doing that. I usually apply it once and then forget about it. After I'm done with all of my skincare stuff, this is the last step to my skincare. It has SPF 30, so I really love this because, again, it gives me protection from the sun. It clears out any redness on my face. I always have it with me wherever I'm going, especially if I am going to be by the sun. And that is basically it. We have obviously some Morphe Continuing Mist. We have the Kevyn Beauty Elixir. Other than that, we have some argan oil for my hair. Speaking of hair, most probably every island that you do go to, it's gonna be really humid. So if you think you're gonna blow out your hair and then it's gonna stay super smooth, that's not really gonna happen. So for the most part, I am gonna be keeping my hair naturally curly because if I blow it out, it's just gonna go back to frizzy anyway because of the humidity. So I always use argan oil, the specific one. I put like 3 to 4 pumps of that all over my wet hair and then just forget about it. But because of the extra humidity, I love like a wet look, wet hair look. So what I always do is put the argan oil, put some additional sculpting gel or some mousse. That way my hair stays wet and I don't have to worry about it being frizzy. I have styling gel and mousses and that kind of stuff that's going to keep its hold and not get frizzy. And because it's a wet look, if it rained or if anything happened, it's not going to ruin my hair. Don't ask why I have this here. It is going to be my birthday in a couple days, so I'm like, you know what, if I did want to go a little extra or do something a little fancy, let me get these face gems just in case. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but you never know. So I also, oh my god, I should have kept these in the black cushion thing right here because it just fell all over my packing cube. This is why I recommend getting something with a little bit of a cushion. So that's my fault on that, but obviously I got some travel size shampoo and conditioner. You guys, this smell is so bomb. This just reminds me of like being on vacation, being on an island, this specific smell. I just wanted to get travel size, so it's like obviously you can get any brand that you like, but when I smelled this, I'm like, oh my god, it smells so fresh. It smells like the ocean. So this is why I picked this up. One other thing that doesn't belong in the hair category, but I have it here again for some reason, I guess I was rushing when I was like packing all of these, are these oils. So we have some different types of oils here. We have a coconut oil, we have this wheat germ oil. That sounds weird, but that's what we have. And we have carrot oil, and I love using these on my body to give me like a shine. So like when I get out of the shower, spray some coconut oil or carrot oil or any oil honestly that you guys have. You can use baby oil. Sometimes I do use that. Sometimes I use coconut oil just fresh out of like the jar, put it all over my body. I don't really use lotions as much as I use oil because oil just gives you like that beautiful shine. It's super quick to put it on and you don't have to like blend it in like a lotion. You know, with all of these, obviously get travel size. I mean, this is like not necessary at all for a week worth of vacation, but I didn't have any travel size sculpting creams and gels and all that kind of stuff, so I just got the full size. All right, and last but most definitely not least is outfits. Now, obviously for outfits, it kind of depends on what kind of activities you're gonna be doing. There ain't no partying, clubbing, night outs happening. It's a lot of like touristy stuff, water activities, beach activities, that kind of thing. So obviously the outfits that I brought is appropriate to that. But regardless, when you are on an island vacation, you really don't want like thick stuff. You don't want denim. You don't want things that are gonna stick to your body, especially that there is a lot of humidity, most likely in every island. But I guess we'll start with what I'm wearing right now. This is actually tucked in, but it's a crop top. It's like over the shoulder white. I love these kind of over the shoulder. It's not really a crop top actually. It's more of like a top. It depends on what kind of bottom you pair it with. But I love it because it has these like cute sleeves on them. It's off the shoulder. So I have it paired with don't mind my hotel slippers. I'm gonna switch to one of these sandals in a second. So I have this top paired with a flowy maxi skirt and these dangling pearl earrings. These outfits right here I actually just bought when I'm in Hawaii. I did not get any jackets, and you don't really need jackets, but sometimes in certain islands it might get cold at night. So I just have this cute kind of like crop top jacket. It's white crop top denim jacket. I got in a size large because I like these to be oversized. So that's the only jacket that I got with me, because obviously for the most part it's gonna be super humid and hot and all that kind of stuff. Everything that you're gonna see here is like airy and flowy and just comfortable. I don't have any denim, like as far as like denim pants, except denim shorts. I also picked up this cute kind of, I think it's like a cardigan, but I'm wearing it as a cover up for when I go to the beach. Like a snakeskin cover up. This is from Nordstrom. I really liked the print and I figured it looked super cute on top of like a black bikini. Another thing that I picked up, which is also from Nordstrom, is this flowery green and white dress. It's like almost a maxi dress, but not really. You have this kind of like square neckline and everything has a floral print. Probably wear it during the day for my birthday. That's what I'm thinking, so we'll see. And another thing that I picked up is from Zara. This is separate, but obviously they're a matching set. It's these flowy pants. It's like super comfortable, lightweight and sheer. The fabric is like really, really light. And I paired it with this tank top, matching tank top. And it's asymmetrical, so it goes shorter from one side and then longer to the other side. It kind of looks like PJs, but I think if you style it properly, it would look really cute. Another piece that I brought with me is also another two-piece set. This would look really cute with some like red earrings. I have these cute white sandals that would go with it. So this is just a stretchy crop top and like a super soft, satiny almost, a skirt. If I am gonna be wearing any pants, these would be the type of pants that I wear when I am on an island trip, because they're just loose, they're comfortable, they don't stick on your body, so it's perfect for places where there's humidity. I also have another skirt right here if we ever are going to dinner somewhere nice. I'll just pair this. I probably would wear this with this black crop top and just pair it with like a belt. So there's no denim over here except these denim shorts. We always might need some pair of denim shorts. Probably pair this with this top. All my other little outfits are here. So I have all of my swimsuits, cover-ups, all that kind of good stuff in this packing cube here. And over here we have my PJs, bras, gym clothes. If I am even going to the gym, but I probably am not, but if we are going like hiking or something, those are here. So I didn't feel the need to put them up in the closet. So a couple more things. We have bags. I know these bags are not necessary, but again, I am extra, you guys. What can we do? We obviously have a beach bag. This is the one that I'm gonna be using the most. This is kind of just like if it gets thrown in the sand, on the boat, whatever, I'm okay with it. I get to fit a lot of stuff in there. I also have my Fendi bag. This one is more like a beach vibes, but not really thrown around. This is more like the fancier version of this. I also have my Palm Springs mini backpack, which is perfect for airports. If you're hiking or, you know, just like on the go, mini backpack, love carrying that with me everywhere. I have my YSL clutch. This is if I am going on a night out, dinner, that kind of thing. I'd probably pair it with this dress right here. And over here is where I leave all of my accessories, so my belts, my jewelry, all that kind of good stuff. I have a couple pairs of sunglasses here. Sunglasses are a must whenever you're on an island vacation, so obviously I always have to get sunglasses with me. And down here we have shoes. Now, shocking, you guys, we have no heels. I don't think I've ever been somewhere where I never got heels with me, but on this trip, you know what? It happened. All right, guys, and that is everything that I packed with me on this trip. I know it might be a lot of stuff to a lot of people, but obviously just get the stuff that you feel like you need. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found some products that you might feel you would need or find useful when you're on an island trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!